Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about a rectangular pyramid. This is just a continuation of our lesson 14 that was based on a triangular pyramid. The rectangular pyramid is somewhat similar to triangular pyramid. The only difference is in the bases. In rectangular pyramid, the base of the figure is in the form of a rectangle, whereas in triangular pyramid, the base of the figure is in the form of triangle. But in today's lesson, we're going to focus only on a rectangular pyramid. So the first question that comes to our mind is what is a rectangular pyramid? A rectangular pyramid is the one that has four triangular faces, like the lateral faces, and we can also say that adjacent faces. They are of four, and the base of the figure is in the form of rectangle. So without further ado, let's draw the rectangular pyramid first. So rectangular pyramid. And how are we going to draw it? So let's draw two rectangles, and from the bottom connect the vertices and then make the base, which is in the form of a rectangle. And we can name the figure as A, B, C, D, and E. So the base of this figure, which is rectangle, and B, C, D, and E. B, C, D, and E is base and is in the form of rectangle. So that is the reason it is called rectangular pyramid. And so now we're gonna do faces, vertices, and edges of rectangular pyramid. So let's start with the faces. So if we talk about the faces, it has 5 faces. So let's count them. A, B, C is the first face, and A, C, D is the second face. Like this is first and this is second, and this like the side face A, E, B, this is the third one, and this base which is in the form of a rectangle is the fourth one, and the back face which we cannot draw. So this imaginary triangle is the back face. So this is the fifth one. A, B, C, D, E, F. We can name this as F, like A, E, F is the fifth one. So if we talk about vertices, there are 5 vertices of a rectangular pyramid, and they are A, B, C, D, and E. So vertices are the corners where two or more lines they meet or intersect. And now let's move to the edges. So edges is basically the lines that connects two vertices. So for example, AB is the edge, so 1, and BC is also the edge, like B vertices and C vertices, and the line that connects these two vertices is the edge. So 2, 3, 4, and this BE 5, and this ED 6, and AC 7, and AE 8. So there are 8 edges of a rectangular pyramid. Now we're gonna do the volume and surface area formulas of a rectangular pyramid. So volume of rectangular pyramid. And the formula is 1/3 area of the base into height of pyramid. And now move to the surface area formula. Which is area of the base, which is a rectangle plus lateral surface area. And there are 4 faces, like we have to find the areas of all the 4 individual faces, like there are 4 faces. So now we're gonna do one example because this is the best way to elucidate the topic in an explicit way. So we are given this figure and like A, B, C, D, and also we are given the dimensions of the base of the figure, which are 18 by 10, like 10 by 18. So, and what we need to find out, volume and surface area. So volume, and the formula for the volume is 1 by 3 area of the base into height of the rectangular pyramid. So let's emphasize on what is given to us. We are given the dimensions of the base, like length 18 centimeter and breadth, which is also called width, is 10 centimeter. And also we are given the height of the rectangular pyramid, which is 12 centimeter. So it is a perpendicular distance from apex, which is also called vertex, from apex to the base of the rectangular pyramid, so which is 12 centimeter. And area of and we already know that area of rectangle is length into breadth and into height. So what is length? 18 and breadth 10 and height 12. So 60 into 12, so it comes out to be 720. So 12 into 60, 12 into 60, 720 centimeter cube. So the volume of this rectangular figure is, like the rectangular pyramid figure is 720 centimeter cube. So now we're gonna find out the surface area of a rectangular pyramid, like this figure. So, and the formula for surface area is area of the base, which is rectangle plus lateral areas. That means adjacent faces. Lateral areas, which means we have to find individual areas of all the 4 faces, and these 4 faces are in the form of triangle. So basically we have to find the area of all the 4 triangles. So let's take an example of this triangle. If we have to find the area of this face, like A, C, D, and so in order to find the area of this triangular face, we need base, which is 10 centimeter, which we are given to us, and also we need height. And in if we say in triangle ACT, like the face ACD, so, and the formula for area of triangle is half base into height. So we got the base, but we need to find the height. So how are we gonna find this height, which is also a slant height? So we're gonna take the help of perpendicular height, which is also the height of the rectangular pyramid, like this 12 centimeter. So we can connect this perpendicular height with the slant height. So if this is 18 centimeter and the half of 18 is 9, and this is gonna be 9, and which is parallel to 18. So, and the side opposite to a right angle triangle is hypotenuse, and which is also the slant height, and which we need to find out, which is A, that starts from A, and we can name it as F. So let's apply Pythagoras theorem here. A GF. So in triangle AGF, so AF square, which is hypotenuse and also the slant height, AF square, and the perpendicular, which is AG square plus base GF square. So AF square, AG is 12, so 12 square plus 9 square, 144 plus 81, so 225. So under root of 225 is 15 centimeter. So we got our slant height, which is also the height of this triangle ACD, is 15. So now we can easily find out the area of this side, like side face of a rectangular pyramid, which is half. What is base? Here 10, and height, so the area of triangle ACD is 75 centimeters square. And triangle ACD and triangle ABH, they're gonna have similar area because they share the same part of the base, which is rectangle. If this is 10 and this is also 10, because it is in the form of rectangle, so that means area of triangle ACD is equal to area of triangle ABH, which is 75 centimeter square. So in triangle ABC, if we have to find the area of triangle ABC, we got the base as 18 centimeter, but we need to find out the slant height, which is this. So in order to find out the area of triangle, we need base and height. So we got the base, but we don't have height. So again, we're gonna take the help of this perpendicular height. For that, we're gonna draw a line parallel to this, or we can say this, and this is 90 degrees. So in order to find out this AI, which is our slant height, we can apply Pythagoras theorem. So if this is 10 and this is 5 and the half of 10 is 5, so in triangle ABC, and we can apply Pythagoras theorem here, AIG. So AI is hypotenuse and EG square plus GI. So AI square, AG, which is 12, plus GI, which is 5. So 144 plus 25, 169. So AI is 13 centimeter. That means our slant height is 13 centimeter, and so the area of triangle ABC half base into height, and what is base? 18, and the height is 13, which we just calculated. So 13 into 9, it comes out to be 117 centimeter square. And also area of the front face ABC and the area of the back face like AHJ, it's gonna be same because they share the similar part of the base, which is 18 centimeter. Like if this is 18 centimeter and this is gonna be 18 centimeter too. So that means area of triangle ABC and the area of back face, like the area of AHJ, is gonna be same. So area of AHJ, it's gonna be same, 117 centimeter square. The formula of surface area is area of base plus area of lateral faces, and we can also call them as adjacent faces. So what is area of base? Length into breadth, which is 18 into 10, plus area of lateral faces. So the first lateral face is ACD and the second is ABH, so 75 plus 75, and AHJ and ABC 117 plus 117, so this is 180, 150 plus 234. So after addition it comes out to be 564 centimeter square.